friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. My name is Terry. I am doing this video for like the fourth time. We're going to be doing our Natalie Attired Classic Collection today. I am doing it over because the video app I was working keeps crashing and it's not videoing anything. So I've been for several days looking for a new app to use. Hopefully this is going to work out okay. So this is, me trying the clothes on again for you for a third time. But Natalie Attired is a clothing subscription service. They have two boxes, the classic and the limited. This is the classic. You get 5 different items to try on in the comfort of your own home. You can keep and purchase what you like or send back anything that you don't. And they do give you a prepaid mailer to send anything back that you don't want to keep. There are some nice discounts with Natalie Attired. You will get, if you just buy one item, you'll get your $20 styling fee credited to that item. If you buy 3 to 4 items, you'll get your $20 styling fee plus 20% off the total amount. And if you buy the entire 5 items, you will get the $20 credit and you will get 30% off your entire purchase as well. So I'm excited to show you what I got. I do think I got some good things. There's a little sneak peek right there. So let's just get started. All right, this one is by Fun to Fun, and it is just a cap sleeve split neck blouse. It is in this beautiful cherry red, and it's got little black and white accents, and it's just got the little cap sleeves on it. So coming in so you can see the print on it. Really a pretty little work top. I do like this piece. I'll go over prices at the end with you, but we're going to try everything on. To try all the tops and stuff on, we got a nice new pair of black jeans, and I've actually been looking for a pair of black jeans for a while now. These are by Royalty For Me, which is a brand that I haven't heard of until I started with Natalie Attired. They are skinny jeans and they are not distressed at all anywhere. So we will try all of the tops and stuff on with those. I think that's going to look really cute with the black or the red top. Then we have another top, so this will be black on black for a little bit here, but it is another black top. This one is currently untied because I've tried it on, and it is a peplum style, and then these two come here and tie in the middle. You'll get to see this a lot better on. Yes, this is black. I keep getting confused if it's black or navy. It is black, and this one just has like little different shaped dots on it, like just a small pattern. Both of these tops have tiny patterns, and I really like the smaller pattern on them. And I can't wait to show you how everything looked on this time. Next, we got this kind of shell that would go under a cardigan or under a blazer, and it's again, I think it's a black background, and it has lilies on it. It's got the cream and the pink lilies, and it also has a scalloped detail here on the arm, which is a little bit unique. It's stretchier material, which is nice. This is in a size, I think it's a medium. Nope, this one's in a size large. All right, so then the final item I was so excited about when I got it out of the box, but it doesn't fit, unfortunately. Spoiler alert. This is a beautiful suede jacket cardigan from Umgi. Umgi is a brand that I've purchased from before. It's very large. It's always large. Every time I've purchased from there, I need to go 1 to 2 sizes down for Umgi to fit me. So this is actually a medium. She did, size me in my regular size. For this, I would certainly need either a small or an extra small even, and you'll see that when I do the try on. It looks like I'm wearing my daddy's old, like I'm a 3-year-old wearing my dad's jacket. That's how I felt in this. So, and I was really bummed about it because I thought it would look really cute, and they gave me this top to wear with it, and because it picks up the pink in there, and I like the combo together, but unfortunately this just does not fit me at all. So I am going to try everything on, and I'll see you guys back in just a moment. Okay guys, so first I have on the little black peplum top. It's got a cute little V-neck, little sleeves, and it's peplum and it ties at the waist. It does have a modesty snap right here to keep you secure, which I'm grateful for. And then I'm wearing the black jeans. This is the, this is their tag is huge on here. I don't know if I can get it off. I don't understand why we need such huge tags. All right, so this tag says that it is Nope, I didn't get it off. It's a tummy, like it comes up high-waisted a little bit. It's supposed to be like help you with having a flat tummy. And there it is. Try to ignore the tag. But there it is with the top. I really, really like both of these pieces. I think they're really cute and stylish. I think the top is really great if you're short and you're curvy. It gives you a nice defined waist. The pants flatten out your tummy and they're very, very, very comfortable. So I think both of these are a win. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you think about both items. I'm just going to switch tops and put the red one on next. Okay, my friends, here is the little red top with the same jeans. It's got a rounded hem and it's got the V-neck. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't have a lot of red and I think this will look really nice. Also, in one of my last short story boxes, I did get a little black blazer and I have it down here and I think it's gonna look really cute with this. So I'm gonna do like just a little bit of a tuck here and then I think we'll try that blazer on. And I think I'm gonna keep these jeans, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this off here. But let's try that blazer on with this top because I think that might be a really cute outfit. Add like a strappy pair of high heel shoes or little black boots and I think you're in business, so hold on. Okay. Here it is with the blazer. I would probably just add a pretty belt to this, like with silver. I think black and silver look great together, but I think this blazer is super cute with this top and the jeans, and I would totally wear this outfit outside. I like it a lot. So there we are. So one more look at the shirt on its own. You can request any of these items that I have as well if you like them, and my stylist is Renee. All right, now we're gonna try on the very last item, which is the shell with the jacket, the last two items. Okay, you're about to see how bad this jacket looks on me. It's very well made, and I love the color of this, but it is so big. It's so big. It just looks so bad on me. And it needs to be like probably honestly 2 sizes smaller. It does have pockets. I think, you know, maybe they're going for the oversized slouchy look, but that just doesn't look good on me. So I would not keep this. I really think I would need 2 sizes down. It's just frumpy on me. This is not a good Terri look, and I'm so short that it's just huge all the way around. It takes away shape. It's probably adding 20 pounds to me right now, so we're not gonna get this. And I would suggest if you do try to order this that you definitely go down 1, maybe 2 sizes because it's just huge. All right, and then underneath, I do like the little shell. This is a pretty shell, and I do like what they were trying to do, and I have a rose suede moto jacket that I think will look a lot better with this than that jacket they sent. So I do think I am going to keep this. All right, so we're gonna pause and I am going to grab the sheet with the prices and we'll go over all of the prices and break it down so we know what we're doing. Hold on. Okay, we'll start with what I have on. I'm still wearing the shell and the black pants. So this is by West MO. I don't know, it cut it off, but it's a scallop sleeveless floral top. This is $42. And the jeans are the high-rise skinny jeans. These are $49, which is a great price for a pair of jeans. I'm definitely keeping the jeans for 49 bucks. They fit good, they're high-waisted, they look nice. So then we have the red and black Fun to Fun split neck. This is $42. And I think I want to keep this too. I really like this. I think this is a great little top to add to my work collection, and I can wear it with a blazer or a cardigan for work, and I think I'll really enjoy that. Same thing with this little peplum top here. This actually surprised me. The way it's constructed, I wasn't sure if I was going to like it because, as you saw, it kind of, so it's got like these flaps and then you bring it in and tie it, and I was like, oh, I don't know about that. But actually on, it looked really, really cute. And this is by She and Sky, which is a brand I've heard of before. So I do think I'm going to get that too. Now we know I'm not getting this by Umgi. This is also the most expensive piece. It is the faux suede jacket for $56. So I'm not going to get that. If I kept everything, it would be $233, and with the discounts, it comes to $163.10. I did the math, and it's like $141 if I kept 4 pieces. So it was like another $22 to add the jacket. Not worth it for me because I'd have to at least sell that for $22 on Poshmark to make my money back, and I'm just not going to mess with that. So I am going to stick with the 4 items and send that one back. And that is my Natalie Attired. I do have a discount code for you guys. If you use my link down below, I get $25 and you get $25 when you make your first purchase. So if you are considering Natalie Attired, give them a try. Ask for Renee. She's a great stylist. I've had her for a while and honestly have had the best luck with her. I've really enjoyed working with Natalie Attired as well, and I hope to continue doing so. So we are going to end this video. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, and let me know if you decide to get your own Natalie Attired box and how it went. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.